Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cybersecurity, Ethical Hacking web series. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss for all the ethical hackers out there. Yes, the topic is about the best cybersecurity certifications to boost your career. Cybersecurity is a rapidly growing field, with a projected 33% market growth from 2020 to 2030. Considering the average for other industries is 8%, that's pretty significant. And it's no wonder, considering the rise of data breaches, including government hackers seeking important data. These days, you'll find tons of cybersecurity jobs on various job boards, perhaps named slightly differently like Information Security Analyst or Data Security Consultant. You might consider exploring cybersecurity certifications to land these roles. Let's take a look at how a cybersecurity certificate can help you with your career, and what attributes to look for when choosing from the top cybersecurity certifications. 1. CISSP Certified Ethical Hacker. How do the most secure organizations protect themselves from hackers? Ethical hacking. An ethical hacker tests an organization's software security by attempting to hack into their system. This certification teaches you how to think and act like a hacker. Topics include hacking technologies, the latest vulnerabilities, information security laws, and standards. Students are put through real-time scenarios, exposed to hacking techniques, and taught how to scan, hack and protect their system from the same. This course benefits security professionals, site administrators, and anyone concerned with network security. Before applying to a penetration tester position, arm yourself with this certification. Cost: $950 to $1,199. Prerequisites: 2 years of experience in information security, graduates of EC Council training. Best for programmers interested in penetration tester roles. 2. CISM, Certified Information Security Manager. This certification gives you the tools to excel in the management part of cybersecurity. Some topics of interest include security risk management, program development and management, governance, incident management and response. Cost: $575 for members, $760 for non-members. Prerequisites: 5 years of experience in a managerial role related to information security. Best for programmers interested in solidifying their managerial experience. 3. CompTIA Security Plus. CompTIA is a respected authority in the cybersecurity industry, offering various certifications to support growth in cybersecurity careers and education. The CompTIA Security Plus certification is a great certificate in cybersecurity for IT professionals just starting in the security field. The exam covers a wide range of topics, like cyber attacks, incident response, architecture and design, governance and compliance, risk management, and cryptography. Cost: $381. Prerequisites: 2 years of IT security experience recommended, but not required. Best for aspiring cybersecurity professionals just beginning their careers. 4. CASP CompTIA Advanced Security Practitioner. Moving up the certification ladder at CompTIA, the CASP is an advanced cybersecurity certification with hands-on experience in security engineering and architecture. Other topics covered include cryptography and governance. Despite the advanced level, this isn't one of the best cybersecurity certifications for managers. Instead, it's a better fit for professionals who wish to work in technology as architects and engineers. Cost: $480. Prerequisites: no formal requirements, but the exam provider recommends this certification exam only to IT professionals with at least 10 years of experience. Best for security engineers and architects seeking more advanced roles in enterprise security. 5. Certified Information System Security Professional, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. The Certified Information System Security Professional is one of the best cybersecurity certifications for programmers and professionals seeking to advance their careers in the industry. It's certainly not for beginners, requiring 5+ years of experience. It's not uncommon to see security engineers and chief information officers with this designation, however, they likely have many others as well. The Certified Information System Security Professional certification is the most common requirement or preferred qualification for cybersecurity job postings. Cost: $749. Prerequisites: 5 years of experience in at least 2 cybersecurity topics areas like security and risk management, security engineering, software development security, communication and network security, and more. Best for cybersecurity professionals looking to move into management and senior roles. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep learning.